Alright, Coco, we'll wait for the doctor, okay? We'll wait for the doctor. So right now, we are at the clinic, me and Coco. She has to be seen by a veterinarian today, since I just want her to get her annual checkup. She has to have some blood works today, according to the assistant vet. So we'll see and we'll wait from here. You okay, Mama? Yeah, the doctor will see you soon, okay? That she can help you with your itching. And Coco, you okay, Mama? We're gonna wait for the doctor so she can check you out, right, Mama? So this is the estimate for today's checkup. Coco Adao. So that's rabies initial vaccine for 1 year, $29. Health evaluation, that's doctor's fee, that's $59. Medical waste disposal fee, $5. According to the assistant, that's medical waste disposal fees for any kind of needles that they use for Coco, and that's $5. And Heart Guard SM Blue, that's going to be $666. The Heartworm Line EHR Anna for diagnostic test, that's going to be $58. So today is Friday, December 3. This estimate lists procedures and fees for veterinary service on Coco at World Animals at Mayfair. Okay, so we'll see what the doctor will say. You okay, Mama? Don't be so scared. Are you scared of needles? We'll wait for the doctor, okay? It's her face. Thank you so much.
She says, I'm being very good, Mom.
Oh, your mom is gonna see you, Coco, girl.
It's okay. Good girlie.
Thank you so
there's
much.
A perfect picture.
You like that, Mama? Oh, look at that Coco girl there. Lots of toys here. We're gonna find toys for Suga. These toys for Suga. See that? Look at that one. Look at Coco there. Oh my goodness, there's another one. So right now we're shopping some toys for the fur babies here. So let's see, this is $12. This is $7.99. Jimmy, toys for cats on the nice list. Oh, look at these toys for cats. These are beds for the fur babies. So this is what the doctor prescribed for Coco, hypoallergenic. The doctor said that she needs a salmon and sweet potato recipe. So this is what I'm gonna get. This is $18.99. So we're gonna try this first, Coco. Alright, Coco, let's go, Mama. Let's go. Come on. We're leaving now. Come on, let's go get this first. Let's see what this is. Oh, look at this. Making memories. Let's try this for Jimmy. So we can have something for Jimmy, okay? We need something for Jimmy too. Let's try this for Jimmy. Your bowl control. Let's see this. Maybe Jimmy would want this. Alright, let's go. Mommy's broke now. We don't have money anymore. Stops that the baby's needs. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go home. Let's go home, Coco. All right, there's so many things that we see here, and the longer that we stay, the more that I want to buy things. Ah, let's see this. Anything for pets. Well, let's see what we can get here. Oh, there's no ice cream. I was supposed to get you an ice cream, Mama, but there's none. We don't have that. More toys for the fur babies. Coco, you're going home now, Mama. You're done now. You're going home now? Oh, you're going home now. Look at these toys here. Oh my goodness. We're ready to pay. 267-519-7494. Yes, that's me. Thank you so much. She says, I'm not taking a picture of you, I'm just taking a picture of her. So I was gonna send it to her mommy. Oh, fresh green. Oh, thank you. You like dogs? So do you have dog too? Oh, thank you. I know. All right, let's go, Mama. I'm gonna take you to the car and then put this right back, Mom, okay?